Friends, we have Vignesh Kasi with us. Vignesh is from Chennai, Adyar. Adyar had a lot of floods recently, and Vignesh scored, but he looks okay now. Vignesh, it's sunshine now in Chennai.
Sir?
Is it sunshine now? The flood water is gone?
Yes, sir. It's fine now.
Completely fine now. Vignesh scored 686 this year. 686 students from Chennai. And I want to ask Vignesh, it has not been a smooth ride for him. Vignesh, Vignesh, in the first test that you wrote, you scored 300 marks.
Yes, sir.
So didn't you feel like running away? It's not your cup of tea?
No, sir, it was not easy at all. And I was very demotivated initially. But later on, I made my own way to score well. Yeah.
Huh. You made your own way to score well. Now, what I want to ask you is, how did you do it? In the sense that, how did you motivate yourself? 300 in first test, and your final score is 686. So how did you do it?
So initially, I had one single thought like I should not miss any test that my institute conducts, so that I can be like I can do many mistakes, learn from them, and do different mistakes in the next test, so that I can learn things in that way. That was my only thing, and it worked till my last exams. And I used to write all the tests, be it it doesn't matter whether I score 300 or 600, because it does in the NEET exam they're not going to ask what was your score in your mock test or anything. So it's just a practice test, and we are going to learn from them. That's all. So my idea was to write the test, analyze them, and correct the mistakes and learn from them and do new mistakes in the next test. That's what made this difference.
So in Achievers Batch, you used flashcards a lot.
Yes, sir. That made me revise bio in a short span of time. Like I used to revise bio NCRT within 20 to 25 minutes with the help of flashcards, because
Single chapter.
it, per chapter, sir, because it helps to think actively and recall them. Like those important words are being missed in those flashcards, which made me think more actively. And when I used to revise NCRT, I used to give more importance to those words which I miss in the flashcards. That's how it helped me in bio.
Perfect. Very good. Now, so you scored 300 marks in your first mock test. By the end of class 11th, what was your score? Do you remember?
538, sir.
538.
That was the first time I crossed 500 range, and I felt so happy by then.
Good. But you knew that 538 is still not going to be enough for you to
Oh,
get
yes,
into a
sir.
government college.
Yeah, actually, I belong to that OC category. So, minimum score was to get above 600. But I knew that I could cross that because I came from 300 to 538, which
Yeah.
is also a long journey. But getting a good score from 538 would be a easy journey as compared to that. It was my thought.
So, and what was your score in January this year?
648, sir.
648. So, 300 to 648, and obviously by June you must have been close to what your current score is. What was your score in June this year in mock test?
600, around 680, sir.
680.
Yeah.
Good. Now, Vignesh, tell me, did you find physics difficult?
Yes, sir. I found it very difficult during my initial days. But even though I didn't score well, but I liked the subjects because it was very interesting and in a practical way. We have to apply physics rather than just reading. Like in the case of bio, we have to read each and every line of NCRT. In chemistry is completely different. Like for inorganic, we have to read NCRT as bio. For physical chemistry, it's just remembering the formulas and applying it. For organic, we have to go with the NCRT, and it's a different thing. But for physics,
Right.
we have to apply things rather than just reading. So for that, the key thing is we have to practice a lot of questions. and make the mistake notebook and revise them so that we can avoid mistakes in physics. Yes, sir. That's
So,
how I.
tell me this thing. The problem is this. This is what majority people say. Practice a lot of questions, you'll get hang of physics. But in the beginning, when you're not getting questions right, how do you motivate yourself to keep trying and not give up?
Sir, like I used to do questions, a lot of questions, and make the mistake notebook, and which I revise them. So I do not make the same mistakes again. That's what the most important point is, and many of them miss this because doing mistakes is not a mistake, but doing the same mistake is a big mistake. That's what I believe. So you can do mistakes and make a note of it, revise them, so that you will not lose the marks in the same question. So you can surely you will like you can grow your scores like that.
So what was your final score in physics in NEET exam?
I got 156.
You got 24 marks, you lost there.
Yes.
Are you super annoyed with your physics score?
Yes, sir. Actually, I messed up because of the examination tension there. I could have scored a huge mark in that, but I messed up due to some examination tensions like that.
Okay. So now, which colleges are you targeting?
I'm planning to join Madras Medical College.
Madras Medical College. Very good.
Yes, sir.
You will find one student from Madras Medical College who joined from our side last year. She's from Pudukkottai, and
Okay.
she joined Madras Medical College. You can see a video there, but you're not considering JIPPER at all.
I don't know about that. I'm going to try JIPMER, but the chances of getting JIPMER is less, sir, for
Yeah,
me.
because there is no there is quota for Puducherry, but there is no quota for
Not for
Tamil
Tamil
Nadu.
Nadu.
Understood. Yeah, so Madras Medical College is a great college. So you're not planning to come to, you're not considering any North Indian colleges.
No, sir. For PG, I'm planning to go for North India, but for UG, I wanna go for MMC.
So where is Madras Medical College in Chennai?
It is in near Central, sir.
Near Central. All right. Very good. It's a good place. You'll be close to your parents. I hope you're not going to stay at home. You're going to go and stay in hostel and enjoy your hostel life.
Yes, sir. Sure.
Okay. Thank you so much, Vignesh. Fun talking to you, and best of luck. Any help you require, you have my number.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.